Let's talk about this beautiful hunter green metallic Portax K by Buckman. It's a 2025. Portax K is the front walk-off trailer, as you can see here. That's a just over 6-foot treaded rubber mat to come down on that ramp. We brought it in the green metallic, very popular color over the past year or two, and we brought it in with a small jumper decor by Jan Künster. That's an exclusive artwork to Buckman. Here we have a 5-foot treaded rubber ramp, two 33-inch wide stalls, and a 7'8" internal height. So lots of height for the larger horse, but also able to accommodate something smaller. Anodized aluminum wall panels prevent corrosion, especially when seated beside steel. And we have, of course, galvanized steel as the support structure for the chassis and the trailer. So in this 7'8" internal height, you have a roof vent up at the top. That's how the air gets into the trailer when you're traveling. Two sliding lateral windows. They're tinted and grilled. Of course, you have the front bow window, which reduces glare and is tinted for the horses. And the airflow is excellent in these trailers, especially if you open up either the back storm canvas fully or if you open the windscreen if you have inclement weather or nervous horses in transit. So you can set the chest bars differently depending on the size of horse you have riding. They differ by 4 inches, and if you have smaller horses, you can always get a Buckman rubber additional mat on the floor to help raise them up. You can set the rear settings 3 different positions depending on the length of the horse. You really want them tucked right up to that chest bar for safety in transit, and so they're more stable. These panels will swing from the upper post, and we'll show you that right now. So if you're going to load your horse, doesn't matter which horse you do first for fun. In this video we will load the passenger horse first. So you just move over the panel and it connects to that magnetic piece, and now you have a much wider entry for your horse, which is great. Some horses prefer that, usually the ponies, large personal space. If you're going to unload, the passenger horse gets unloaded first. So here we are, dropping the chest bar, and then you just walk your horse off and down the ramp. For the second horse, I'll just turn around, try and go slow, don't make you dizzy. I'm going to take down that chest bar, and because there's not enough room for the horses to pass between the stall divider and the tack locker, we just push this panel right out of the way because that horse is gone, and now there's all the space. So the horse, I'll be the horse for a minute. I'm standing in now the driver's side, bar's gone, and there's all of that space here to be able to walk across. So lots of room to exit, and I would use the larger horse to exit down that side. Much more space for them. Inside we have, of course, buckets, so you can have feed or water while they're on the trailer or parked. And there's hangers here. There's the hanger for the hay, and there's also hangers here, so you can hang bags. You can do bracket, hay nets, whatever floats your boat. And then inside the tack locker, we have hooks to be able to hang helmets, boots, bags, whatever you need. You have inside another hook. You have crop holders. There's a light up here so for loading and unloading. The cleanup crew, if you need to do that. And then these saddle racks will hold both English and Western saddles, which is really handy because you can pull it to the edge of the doorway and be able to get out your tack. So lots of great features. I haven't even talked about half of them on this trailer, but it is waiting here at Maple Lane to take you to your next clinic or competition or ride.